was sharing an original Slim Jim. Cheese crackers. Better not make a mess. Oh, that's just a big fish. I thought he had me in a snag. With my better hands. Caught my first tagged fish. I had him cook that for one like a sassy shad. Alright guys, we just left Bass Pro Shops in Cary. Had to stop, got 2 packs of night crawlers. So I didn't catch any catfish last night at Carr Lake. Aki caught one decent one. Don't know what was going on. I don't think we had any other hits. So anyway, going to the Dan River, which feeds Carr Lake now. I'm using some of the shad we had from last night, hickory shad from the Run-Up River. And I bought some tubs of night crawlers, so let's see what happens. I've got the poor man's Sears Jon boat. Let's see if we can make something happen. What are you doing? All right, what's up everyone? I'm on the beautiful Dan River today. It's a little muddy. It's a little up, but I've anchored, and what I'm gonna do is I've only run about a mile and a half upstream. I'm just gonna keep pulling the anchor up and floating down the holes. Work my way back to the boat ramp. It's a little up, so I don't want to be here after dark, so we're gonna get out at dark. We got night crawlers, we got hickory shad, so let's get busy. Let's catch some fish. Woo! Night crawler. That way down there. All right, Mowgli, what are you doing? All right, guys, I got the 3-way rig done. I'm gonna show you, this is a piece of a hickory shad. Get this out of the way so I don't cut the line. I've had one good pop on this rod. He knocked it hard while I was rigging up. It didn't take them though, it's a circle hook. But I've already had one good hit. It's more than I had last night on that. But what I'm gonna do, we're gonna spice this one up a little bit. We're gonna put a night crawler. We're gonna hook a night crawler on it. I'm gonna hook this piece of shad. Right there, it's got a scale on the hook. Make sure you get that off. And I'm gonna hook that night crawler on her again. So there's my 3-way rig. Got a 3-ounce weight, 2-ounce weight would work. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you what I got here. That's an Ambassador 6000. That's a PC Fun 6.5 horsepower Honda on a MudSkipper Mudmotor. That was already getting a hit right there, guys. Oh, I'm gonna snag. Guys, I got one on, it got me in a snag, so I let the line out and let him swim out of it. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's just a big fish. Oh, that's just a big fish. Woo! Gotta watch out for my Mudmotor. Yeah, it's a good fish, guys. Well, he thought he was bigger in the current. He's not that big, but he's a catfish. I'll take him. Woo, got him. Ugh. Easy, Mowgli. Mowgli's all right. That hook got him good. Yeah, guys, that fish felt a lot bigger in the current. Plus, he had me in a snag. I thought he was better than that, but what is it doing? Oh. All right, guys, let's get him back in the water. See if we can catch some more. That was on the one that had night crawlers on it. So, see ya. Okay, guys. Now this spot right here on the dam. Now I ran up river several miles. I haven't fished this spot in 20 years. I've been fishing, if I fished a dam, I've been fishing around Danville. most of the time for smallmouth and catfish. So, and this is seriously, this is where I caught actually my first Dan River blue cat. Pretty sure this might be the exact spot. If it's not, it's close. It's all right, guys. I've got night crawler on a piece of shad. Can't miss with this. All right, put that in the rod holder. All right, we're good. Let's just sit here. All right, guys, I just got 2 night crawlers on this one. So we're gonna see. Sorry, the sun's in your eyes. Hey, and don't laugh about a big gob of night crawlers. My biggest blue out of the Dan, 45 pounds, got a video on that, came on a big gob of night crawlers. I'm already getting a hit on it. Oop, another hit. All right, guys, I'm gonna pull the anchor and I'm just gonna drift down just to where I can cast under this tree down here. Gonna be in the sun a little bit, but that's all right. That's a big hickory shad right there. That's roe. That's the roe. I chum with that. Night crawler. Get the scale on the hook. Me and Mowgli are sharing an original Slim Jim. Come here. Come. Sit. Good job. Got fish, Mowgli. That little blue on the 3-way rig. Boom. That's a pretty blue. All right, guys, that's a good eater blue right there. That's a pretty blue right there. Pretty blue. Dang. He gone. Now me and Mowgli are sharing some cheese crackers. Better not make a mess. I love catching little catfish. I love catching all kinds of fish. But a big blue, what I found, the Dan and the noose, when they grab that bait, they grab and they run. It's like a freight train. So I don't know if they're scared a big flathead's gonna get it before they do, take it away. Well, they see it and they think, I hope that flathead doesn't get it, so they grab it and they're like a freight train. The little ones doing like they did today, but so I'm not too worried about them ones pecking up there, I guess. When we end up catching 2, that'll be fine. It's more than I caught last night at Carl Lake, which is 40 miles downstream, the top of it. We were at the bottom of it. So, still a good ways where we was from last night. All right, good boy. All right, guys, we're moving again. All right, guys, while we're drifting to probably our last, ooh, this don't look bad. While we're drifting to the last spot, I'm gonna show you the PC Fun rod holders. That's 2 different types, the older one and the newer one. They're both good. Ooh, I see a spot right here. We're gonna get right here. Let me get busy. All right, guys, I got both rigged up, night crawlers. Piece of cut hickory shad. Let's get this one out there. Put that one right there. That's the Ambassador. Oops. PC Fun. Right there. That'll loop. Let me see. Well, I flew part of it off, but we'll leave it out there. Guys, I got one on the first cast at the last spot. He ain't big, I don't think. But it's a fish. He's a spunky fish. Spunky fish. Now that's a channel cat right there. Nice. Let's get him back and catch another fish. Circle hook got him.